What's up, everybody? Ray here, Pontiac Lemans garage. You can see the Punisher car painted in the background. I did take some video as I was doing it. Unfortunately, the first two coats I may or may not have forgot to hit record on the camera, so I don't have video of that. But I do have video of the third coat, so let me show that to you and enjoy. All right, so the sanding, bodywork, everything's done. Car's been blown off, cleaned with rubbing alcohol. I am not painting the nose tonight. I have to pull it off, so I'm not doing that. But the rest of the car is getting painted. So we'll see how this goes. I have cleaned it, and it's pretty clean. So we'll see how it looks here in a little bit. All right, there it is. It's got 2 coats on it. Don't have any runs, but I have some really crappy looking spots, some light spots, dark in the garage. I can't see. My Harbor Freight gun let me down. So actually part of the problem was that I didn't even realize the compressor was getting low on air, so it was not spraying right. But we'll let it dry tonight. It'll settle a little different, but it already looks better than it did. It looks weird while it's drying. I know it looks kind of funky in the pictures, but when I had the first coat on it and it was all matte finish, it looked pretty good. So we'll see. Anyway, that's it for tonight. See how it looks in the morning. Here it is, Rust-Oleum, satin black. It actually don't look too bad. I'm gonna put another coat on it tomorrow. I ran out of paint, but it don't look bad. It's got a little bit of orange peel, but I got like $10 in this paint job. No, probably like 20. So, I mean, for a $20 paint job, it don't look too bad. Well, there you go, folks. Punisher is matte black. What's up, everybody? Ray here from Pontiac Lemans Garage. As you can see, got the Punisher car here in the background. Alright, so here it is. It dried overnight. It looks good. Going to scuff a few spots with some red Scotch-Brite, which is like 400 grit, I guess, comparison from what I understand. And we're going to shoot the final coat on it. So, that being said, here we go. Alright, it's drying. There it is. Final layer of paint. I'm sure some of you was wondering what I was doing with the hood. I actually have a different hood going on the car. My son's going to redraw the Punisher skull. But I just kind of wanted to throw some paint around it. Thought it might look kind of cool. I don't know. Plus I had extra paint, so why not? But you can see it looks real orange peely. But this Rust-Oleum paint does that. And then once it dries, it's like smooth-ish. Smooth-ish. I mean, so that little quart can of paint. So that 2 quarts of paint was $16.99 each. And the acetone was like $10. Tack rags, everything. I literally have under $100 in this paint job. No, it's not gonna win no car show awards. I don't really care. That's not the idea. This car is gonna see a lot of time at the drag strip. It's gonna see autocross. I'm gonna drive the hell out of it. So if I scratch it, I'm not gonna be worried about a $20,000 paint job. So I like what the new trend is. Just drive it, get it running and drive it. Don't worry about making a show car. I mean, if that's your thing, then that's fine, but a lot of guys spend their whole life building a show car, and then it sits in the garage. They don't enjoy it. So I'd rather have a car I can enjoy. $100 paint job. I mean, that's my thing. May not be yours, but anyway, this is the car. Once it dries tomorrow night, maybe before the Pontiac Power Hour with me and Buff from Buff's Garage, I might do a outside video with the tires on and all the paper off, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it for now. That's the car. Punisher car's back in black. Have a nice night. It's hot out here.